guys, Zara here, and today's video is something a little bit different. I thought I would take 2019 as a year to experiment more with makeup, and to start off I attempted a bit of a festival look, but it ended up being a clown inspired festival look. I just wanted to do some glitter on the bottom and some fierce highlighting, and I just ended up with this look right here. I did use a lot of products from the new Too Faced Pretty Rich collection, so you guys can see how they perform. So far I'm a big fan of the glitters in the palette. Absolutely love the highlighter. I've used two of them kind of mixed together in this look, and the lip gloss as well. This is the one called Social Butterfly, which was like a collaboration with Jordan Woods. It actually smells stunning. It smells like freshly baked cake or something very sweet. I absolutely adore it. But yeah, if you guys want to know how I ended up with this look, then just keep on watching.